cut.
Actually, we're in Weaselhead Weaselhead Environmental Provincial Park. I don't know. I'll put the link down below. So, yeah. Alright, I'll talk to you guys when we're on the road. It's that big? You gotta be kidding me. Alright, so some of the group is a bit late, so we're just gonna wait a little bit. This is the odometer. Yeah. Okay, so we're almost ready to go, and we're just biking around so we don't get mosquito bites. Yeah.
That's pretty smart.
Yeah. I don't have image optical stabilization yet. You know what that is?
Stabilization.
Oof. Alright, I'm gonna go back. This actually has a nice view, not to lie. You're on camera. Alright, so I'll update you guys when we're on the road. I'll probably do a time lapse. We're going now. And I'm just gonna get a head start. Okay, now where next? No, we don't. I don't come here. Ethan's also turning right. See? I'm always right. Stupid. Alright. So this is a nice view. Oh dear, my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that wetland. I've never been to this side of the city before. We're like outside of the city. Alright, this is downhill. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, no, no, no. Oh, my head is so itchy right now. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'll do a time lapse now. Alright, so my dad is way ahead of me right now. I don't know where I'm even going. I hope I don't get lost. I hope I'm going the right way. Yep, I don't know where they're going. Alright, so the others are way behind me. Hopefully one of them can catch up. Oh, my dad is already there. Okay. Alright. Passing my dad. My legs are almost jello. Alright, another downhill. Great. Alright, going at a high speed. Hopefully you guys can see. Whoa, this is a nice lake. Okay, so we are in the Glenmore Reservoir. This is a nice lake. Okay. I'll update you guys when I catch up with the others. Alright, so we are 15.95 kilometers in the bike path, and yeah, so the others are, the two others are at the front, way front, and we are like the middle ones. I don't know what I'm talking about. So we could be going the right direction. I hope we are. So yeah. Oh, my phone. It keeps on falling down. Leave a comment below if you can see the image. going back to the it's going back to the car. That's clever. Well, that was a rather short bike ride. Oh, it's so far. Alright, so I'll meet you back at the car. Alright guys, we finally made it. I think we're the first ones here. So, we biked 8.33 kilometers. So, thank you for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.